Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesecake stuffed Snickerdoodle cookies. Alright, let's start off with a pound of butter. Place your pound of butter in a pot, but we're not only going to melt it, we're going to brown it. Because like they say, the browner the butter, the sweeter the juice. Anyway, after you're done browning it, you want to remove it from the heat and place it in a bowl and let it cool off about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, now let's go on to our cream cheese. Now, with the cream cheese, just be careful not to eat it all because it's really good. After you're done mixing it, we're going to freeze it because it's easier to handle when we're stuffing our cookies. And you want it to be as firm as possible when you're putting it inside the cookie. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. So this is an important step. Make sure you freeze your cream cheese. Now, when you're measuring your flour, it's very important that you use a food scale because the cups aren't really super accurate when you're measuring flour. You get too much or you get too little very, very easily. So 380 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna set that aside. We're gonna get our cooled butter and add our sugar, and we're gonna mix it together. All right, and we're gonna add one egg at a time. That's our first egg. We're gonna beat it up, and then we're gonna add our second egg. Same thing. Next, we're gonna add our vanilla extract and mix it once more. Alright, get ready to add your dry ingredients. We're going to divide this into 3 because I don't want to put it all in at once. I don't want a lumpy mixture. I want it very even. I want it just perfect. So we got to take our time with this one. Alright, same thing. I'm going to sift it again. Make sure we don't get those lumps. Alright. This cookie is well worth the wait and well worth the work. Trust me. Once you bite into one of those things, you'll be thanking me. Alright, third time's a charm. There we go. And get an ice cream scoop and take your cream cheese out the freezer because it's time to stuff the cookies. Now, look at me. Make an indent with your thumb, place the cream cheese inside, and roll it up. Make that cream cheese disappear. You're not only a chef, you're Houdini. You're David Blaine. We don't play games here. Alright, I'm gonna show you to do it again. Watch. Dough in your hand. Indent with your thumb. Go ahead and place that cream cheese right inside of there. You see why you freeze it? It's so much easier to handle. Alright, roll it up and get ready to dip it in your sugar. Now, I use turbinado sugar mixed with some cinnamon. I like the texture with the turbinado for this. Trust me, you'll love it too.
Donuts.
They look like donuts, but they're not. Go ahead and stick it in your freezer for 15 to 20 minutes and then place them on your baking sheet. Now, I gave them a lot of room. You don't have to do that. That's just me being cautious, and that's the end result. 11 to 15 minutes on 375 degrees. We're gonna plate it up for yourself or for your guests. This doesn't matter, just enjoy it how you like it. Add a little powdered sugar if you like. Totally up to you. And here it is. Drum roll, please. Thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe. More to come in the future. Have a good day.